Hi, good afternoon, Dennis, DFHL Homes. Right now, I'm at Avocado Territories, Avocado Smart Home Territories here in Abijo, GRA. Avocado Smart Home and Territories is located right inside Choice Estate. And Choice Estate itself is located inside Abijo, GRA. Right? And Choice Estate is an estate that Lagos State government, in conjunction with a property development, other property developers, produced for the populace. About 5,000 residential units were produced. So inside there you have this Avocado Terrace. Now, Avocado Terrace offers you one bedroom terrace, 2 bedroom terrace, and 3 bedroom terrace. The title is CFO. The location is perfect. Abijo GRA is right along Lekki Ekpe Expressway. It is Lekki Ekpe Expressway, as the name goes, starts from Lekki and it terminates at Ekpe. And along this express corridor, you have various estates like your Itinu City, Lagoon Front Estate, you have your Amen Phase 3, Amen Phase 2 is off it, and so you have a lot of estates there. Inside this estate, you know what? Now, this is an important information. You listen up. By November 30th, this estate is increasing by 3.5 million. Every unit is increasing by 3.5 million naira. Presently, 1 bedroom apartment is going for 27.5 million naira. Right? So that means by December 1, add 3 million to 27.5 million naira. That will be giving you one unit of a 1 bedroom apartment. Then the 2 bedroom apartment is going for 37.5 million naira, while the 3 bedroom terrace is going for 42.5 million naira. Your initial deposit is 15 million naira, and spread your payment in 6 months without interest. That is wonderful. That is fantastic. So I would like you to just take up this opportunity to subscribe before that increment, that 3.5, you can use it to, add to make subscription for other properties. See, properties in this location are very, very important, right? Because this area they are called Ibeju, Lekki local government area, and it is in close proximity with all the development like the Dangote refinery, like the new Lekki International Airport, like the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Kellogg Industries, and a whole lot of others, right? The new Lekki International Airport is meant to be lifting 5 million people per annum. And so you know what that means. A lot of routes will be included. They'll be bringing the aircraft from various destinations. So here you'll be having 4-5 stars hotels. You'll be having big time commercial enterprises. So it is a place you need to put your money. The growth of the return investment is fantastic. Just to keep connected, subscribe to that channel so that when else we bring our videos, you'll see it. Bye for now.